Hi, this is Lauren Cotton with the Licata Group, Keller Williams Capital Properties. Today I'm going to give you a quick tour of 103 Riverdale Lane, located in Lake of the Woods, Virginia. This all-brick 3-bedroom, 2-bath home has been completely updated and even has some gorgeous views of the lake. I'm actually going to start this tour with a view of the outside of the home. As you can see, this all-brick home has a gorgeous front entrance, and that front porch wraps around the side of the house. I'm also gonna just swing around a little bit. That right there is your lake view. You can see it from inside the house too, but wanted to show you from out here. It is just steps away from lake access, so whether you're walking a kayak down to the foot in the water, or you like to fish and want to throw in a pole, you are very close. So you can see the driveway is paved. We're gonna walk up to this front entrance. It's so cute. You can see the updating that they have done on that porch or deck, and it does wrap around that side of the house. And take you in the front entrance. And you're gonna fall in love with this house. They have done such an amazing job with the updates. You can see the updated flooring, and that is throughout the house. Continues into the bedrooms as well. Let me take a step back. So your garage entrance is there. Coat closet, and then opens right up to the living room. You can see the screen porch is off of the living room. Here's your dining area. You have an entrance right there that goes to the deck. You can see the kitchen, all updated stainless steel appliances. I'm just gonna turn around here so you can kind of get an idea of what it looks like from the kitchen looking out to the living room, dining area, into the kitchen. I'm gonna walk you out real quick to the screen porch. This is gonna be a perfect spot on a day like today when the weather is beautiful. Backs up to woods in the back. You can see they have their hammock and fire pit out there. Can't ask for a better area to just relax, unwind. And again, you're so close to that water access. You can just walk right down to the lake. All right, walking back in from the screen porch, we're gonna walk back into the living room. You can see the front door. Looking down the hallway, you can see that that beautiful flooring carries throughout the home. First thing that we're gonna just take a peek at real quick is the bathroom, updated bathroom. So you have a tub, shower, and single vanity. Gonna swing around, linen closet, bedroom number 2. Good sized bedroom. Nice, bright. This house is really bright and airy. I'm gonna walk you just quick peek into the laundry room real quick. If I can find the light switch. There it is. All right, So you do have a nice big laundry room. There's a deep sink in there also, but just big enough for what you need. I'm gonna walk into, it's gonna be your third bedroom. Nice big closet. They have it set up as a craft room, but plenty big enough for a bedroom. And then we're gonna walk into the master bedroom. So nice and bright. They have done an amazing job with all the updates. So this is your master bath, tub, shower, and a single vanity. I'm also going to show you just the walk-in closet. Nice and big, plenty of space. Swing you back around to the hallway. I hope you've enjoyed this tour of 103 Riverdale Lane, located in Lake of the Woods, Virginia. If you have any questions, please give us a call. Thanks.